Alright, Gary, you know we got the axles out because we're replacing the seals, which we're kind of just sliding them back in right now so we can move the truck because we have to pull the motor out of the T-Bird in the morning. And this has turned into a pretty big oh shit. Sorry, Scotty gets mad when I use potty mouth, but that's a good description. Anyway, these axle bearings, yeah, that's gonna need to be replaced too. They're just old, worn. We have the third member ready to come out. We have the nuts loose, but we'll deal with this tomorrow afternoon, getting that out. We're gonna pull the pumpkin out so we can inspect the rest of the diff, because there's no way we're gonna slap that back together. That's not safe. And Gary, I know you told me you wanted to do this safety in mind. Well, I'm definitely being safety conscious on this. So let's talk tomorrow about what our next steps are gonna be.
Where you want to go?
Where you want to go with this? Because I would not
Ship that out.
ship this out to anybody at all.